Well, this breaking input that we are getting at this point of time is coming in from the international grounds, where it is a big statement coming in from Donald Trump. Former President Donald Trump has said in an interview on Monday that he would offer either a cabinet position or an advisory role to Tesla CEO Elon Musk. And as the world's wealthiest man has become an increasingly key political ally for the ex-US president. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, where former President Donald Trump has made a huge statement, and in an underlying statement he mentioned that he would offer either a cabinet position or an advisory role to the Tesla CEO Elon Musk. As the world's wealthiest man has become an increasingly key political ally for the ex-US president. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking from the United States, where Donald Trump hints at a cabinet position for Tesla CEO Elon Musk, signaling possible elimination of the tax credits also. So now joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Akanksha. Very good morning, Akanksha. Big statement coming in from Donald Trump. Take us through all the details at this point of time.
Right. Important to also remember, Kohina, that these remarks have come just a few days after, Elon Musk conducted that interview with Donald Trump on his platform X. And Donald Trump was all praises for Musk's automobiles. He had also stated that not everyone can acquire an electric car, but he had in fact praised Elon Musk for producing great products. He's also talked about how, Musk had earlier stated that he supported President Joe Biden in the 2020 contest. But the fact of the matter remains that in the 2024 presidential White House race, it is Elon Musk supporting Donald Trump. And we've seen, in fact, it was Trump in that Reuters interview on Monday. He has said, he supported Elon Musk and his business tactics. He's saying that Donald Trump is somebody who's also known for his tax breakups, but when it comes to, taxing Elon Musk's electric vehicles, he's really not made up his mind, but he's a big fan of gasoline-propelled cars, also hybrids and whatever that Elon Musk has been producing. But the big question is, will Elon Musk be accepting that offer if it is made, and that is if Donald Trump comes to power a second term? He's, of course, not really talked about accepting any such offer officially, but we all know that he would love to have Musk. Donald Trump's talked about how he would make him part of a government efficiency commission. And this is something that Donald Trump had even mentioned on that live chat on X. Now, what does that mean? According to Donald Trump, this is a suggestion that was made by Elon Musk, where a government efficiency commission would ensure that the taxpayers' money is put to good use.
Right.
And he had complete faith that Musk would be able to ensure that taxpayers' money is spent in a good way, and he'll be able to help out in the White House. We'll have to see if Elon Musk will be willing to take up that offer. But we all know that Elon Musk is the richest person in the world, with a net worth of close to $250 billion as of this week.
Right.
So it would be interesting to see how this pans out. Of course, a lot depends on whether or not Donald Trump makes it to the White House.
Right, Akanksha. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. Well, this is a big announcement coming in from Donald Trump ahead of the US presidential elections. But now